Blockchain technology is having unprecedented growth. The bubble we are beginning to come out of was a result of exuberant speculation because people saw the potential and recognized that here is a technology that will forever change the way data is collected, stored, and protected. Now the excitement outpaced development. Now people have stepped back from euphoria and are beginning to look at practical application of the technology. And we have reached the time when growth can happen more organically through real life applications. Take education, for instance. The education industry is growing, and the barriers of location and income are finally beginning to erode. It's now possible to learn languages no matter where you are. There are online platforms like Masterclass where you can experience a lecture taught by a celebrity right from your screen. At Studyum.io, we'll take it even further. What if you have an online learning system where instead of just sitting in front of your computer, you're using true 3D interactivity and guidance with progress tracking woven in? Imagine if you had a life like Serena Williams in your living room, a world-class athlete showing you exactly how to perform a certain move while encouraging you and helping you to keep track of your progress. That's what I'm talking about here, the future of education. We spent incredible amount of money on private education without meaningful results. Meanwhile, public education quality is deteriorating and people are losing motivation to learn. We spend so much that the higher education industry is worth roughly $2 trillion. Top-tier universities keep getting more expensive, but they still haven't solved an age-old problem. How do we make sure each individual student is happy and living to their full potential? And when they leave the school, how do they use their knowledge? How do they retain it? And what about continuing that education when they travel the world? More and more young adults are working remotely. Studyum.io will help you to learn anything, anywhere, while keeping you motivated and progressing at your natural pace. I've spent over 20 years teaching the sport of karate. I'm passionate about people learning in the healthiest way possible. I see the way people learn these days. Lack of focus, lack of real determination. Few people want to do the work that earns results. People have become zombies. I want people to love learning, and I think it's the best if the system that they use truly understands them for who they are. It was once impossible to have a patient, understanding teacher everywhere you go, but now artificial intelligence has made this possible. This technology is here to stay, and it's only a matter of time before it works its way into nearly every aspect of our lives, just as the internet did. And Studyum.io is at the forefront of that adoption. In this day and age, it's really hard to focus. We have so many distractions. People are unhappy because they don't know how to make themselves feel better. As a team, we are all really excited because we get to be a part of a revolutionary technology that can help people learn in a way that is more true to themselves. It's literally what AI does. It learns how you learn so you can learn at your own pace. None of this AI stuff will matter though, unless we have a system that keeps both educators and students satisfied with their progress. It's one thing to have amazing tech, but it's another for people to want to use it. Our native stud tokens are used to reward both content creators and students for their hard work, and it's done in a way that encourages students to keep progressing. Our token model is designed to encourage people to both hold and use our tokens, whether it's for investing in courses or trading on the market. As you can see, we have some really ambitious goals, but also we have the team and partnerships. We need to make them a reality and become the future of education. Become a part of the revolution with us. Learn more at Studyum.io.